Whenever I am going to talk in front of camera, my mind went blank. I know every word. I know English language. I am not saying I am perfect in English language, but I am, as a beginner, I can speak English as much as need.
As much as I need.
Yes. As a beginner, I can speak English as much as I need, but whenever I am going to speak in English in front of a camera, my mind
Goes blank.
went blank.
Yeah.
My mind went blank. I did not say anything. Oh my god, it is so strange. I noticed these things. And so I decided I have to speak something out loud. Not in my mind, not in silent, and not in front of people. I want to improve myself first, then I will talk to people. That's why I made this video, and just for talking, there's no matter what I'm saying and how I am saying. Just this is matter for me. I am speaking in English out loud, and my mouth is opening so fast. As you can see, she is my little and a lovely daughter, and she is only 5 years old, and she can speak fluently. I have to learn from her, but I am not comfortable sometimes learn from her because I can't understand sometimes. And she's very fast English speaker, like a native speaker. And as you can see, I am facing trouble while speaking.
Mom,
but
it's not so many problems.
Okay, so many problems. I am facing so many problems while speaking, but she is very fluent. And I have to practice with her. Sometimes I am not feeling confident to practice English with her. She will speak something here. Okay. Hi, Natasha.
Hi.
How are you?
They're fine. What about you?
I am also fine, and I am feeling so energetic today because you are with me right now. Then I can say something in English language. And you know, nowadays I am learning English language to improve myself and build my confidence as you.
Well, I know you're always trying to do that.
Still, I am struggling in English. When I am going to speak some things in front of camera, I can't speak, and this is my problem. It's a big problem for me.
Don't worry. I could correct you whenever you make a mistake.
How was your day today?
My day was going excellent.
That's nice. And did you enjoy the day?
I enjoyed the day. I even played with my favorite basketball.
What is your favorite game?
I either like to play with my football.
I saw you many times you played chess. What about chess?
Yeah, chess is also my favorite. I sometimes like to play or play with you if you're free.
Okay, but I am not good at chess play.
I could teach you how chess pieces move.
Yes, I know how to move chess pieces, but I am not excellent chess player. I can't move proper knife.
Not a knife, a knight.
Knight.
K-N-I-T-E. Knight.
Can you explain something about chess? How to play and how to move
The pieces?
How to move pieces and how to play.
Let me tell you one rule which you always have to follow while playing a chess game. The rule is that the white team should go first.
I know that thing. White team will go. White team will play first.
Move their pieces first.
Move their pieces first. Then
E3 and E4 are the most popular chess openings. I mostly like to play chess.
now, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pampa.
That is not called pampered. In Odia, that's called pampered, but in English, that's things in the pampered, I think. I don't.
Yeah. Now I remember. It's pampa. It's even written on the pads. I sometimes write and I sometimes read.
It was my day 14 and I spoke English with my daughter and myself out loud. And thank you for watching my video. See you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care. Keep practice and like
Not
this video.
keep practicing.
Keep practicing, and if you like this video, just subscribe my channel. Thank you.